Hello guys and welcome to Raga's Tech Hub. Today, we are going to take you on an exciting journey through the evolution of 5G network in India, right up until the year 2023. India has witnessed remarkable advancements in the field of telecommunications, and 5G has been a game changer. So, let's dive in and explore the incredible progress of 5G in India. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such insightful content. Let's get started. 1. Early concepts and initiatives. In the early 2010s, India began its quest to embrace 5G technology. It was a time of experimentation and laying the groundwork for future networks. Leading telecom operators started collaborating with global tech giants to understand the potential of 5G and conduct pilot projects. Researchers and engineers were busy exploring various use cases and challenges associated with the upcoming network. 2. Spectrum auction and initial deployments. Fast forward to 2021, the Indian government conducted its first ever spectrum auction dedicated to 5G. Telecom operators eagerly bid to secure the 5G airwaves. Post the auction, initial 5G deployments were made in select cities, focusing on high traffic areas and commercial districts. Although the 5G ecosystem was still in its nascent stage, this was a crucial step towards bringing the future closer to reality. 4. Overcoming challenges. The deployment of 5G networks wasn't without its hurdles. The primary challenges included infrastructure development, acquisition of more spectrum, and ensuring seamless integration with existing 4G networks. Moreover, addressing concerns related to security, data privacy, and health effects of electromagnetic radiation emerged as significant priorities for the telecom industry and the government. 5.5G use cases and innovations. As 5G matured, innovative use cases began to emerge in India. Industries like healthcare, education, agriculture, and manufacturing saw transformative applications of 5G. Telemedicine and remote diagnostics became more accessible. Augmented reality, AR, revolutionized education, and precision agriculture improved crop yield significantly. This was just the beginning of the 5G revolution in India. 6. Rural connectivity and digital India. To bridge the digital divide between urban and rural areas, the Indian government and telecom operators launched initiatives to bring 5G to remote regions. The goal was to empower rural communities with high-speed internet access, enabling them to access digital services, e-commerce, and government schemes. This step played a crucial role in realizing the vision of a digital India. 7. Indigenous 5G solutions. 2023 marked a significant milestone for India as it made strides towards developing indigenous 5G solutions. Indian tech companies and startups actively contributed to the global 5G ecosystem by designing cutting-edge technologies and patents. This not only reduced dependency on foreign vendors but also showcased India's potential as a tech innovation hub. 8. Smart cities and IoT integration. As 5G networks became more robust, smart cities started witnessing their full potential. The integration of the Internet of Things, IoT, with 5G paved the way for a new era of urban development. From smart traffic management to intelligent waste management, cities across India embraced these technologies, making them more sustainable, efficient, and livable. 9. Rural connectivity and digital India. To bridge the digital divide between urban and rural India, the government and telecom operators launched initiatives to bring 5G to remote regions. The goal was to empower rural communities with high-speed internet access, enabling them to access digital services, e-commerce, and government schemes. This step played a crucial role in realizing the vision of a truly digital India. 10. Future prospects. Looking ahead, the prospects for 5G in India are incredibly promising. As more spectrum becomes available and the technology continues to mature, we can expect even faster and more reliable networks. The widespread adoption of 5G-enabled devices and applications will drive the country's economic growth, innovation, and competitiveness on the global stage. Conclusion. And there you have it, the captivating evolution of 5G network in India till 2023. We hope you enjoyed this journey as much as we did. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned, stay curious. Thank you.